Good afternoon. I'm Talila Mitchell, and I'd like to present Team 6 project presentation on Artificial Intelligence Enhanced Electronic Health Record Integration and Support System. Healthcare organizations continue to struggle with fragmented electronic health record systems, inconsistent documentation, manual data entry, duplicate patient records, and discontinued workflows between emergency rooms, inpatient, and outpatient care. These inefficiencies increase clinician burden, delay care, and compromise patient safety. Team 6 would like to introduce our focus on implementing an AI-enhanced EHR integration and support system designed to improve interoperability, streamline documentation, strengthen patient identification, and support efficient discharge planning using AI tools such as natural language processing that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. With these tools and other techniques and methods, we could produce a fast-based data exchange, enhance safety, quality, and operational efficiency. The purpose of this project is to create a unified AI-supported data environment that improves the accuracy, accessibility, and clinical usefulness of patient information across the continuum of care. By focusing on patient safety and security, reduce medical errors, clinical and non-clinical documentation, and to support the system compliances. This project aligns with the Office of the National Coordinator for Health Information Technology Interoperability Roadmap and national initiatives promoting standardized and secure data exchange. The AI integration was built on fast healthcare interoperability resources, providing the most comprehensive improvement to patient safety, documentation efficiency, and data quality. The AI integration is to provide a solution that supports organization goals related to safety, quality, CMS reporting, HIPAA, high-tech, and AL7 acts. Business case. The AI-enhanced EHR integration and support system will address long-standing challenges with fragmented patient data, manual documentation, duplicate medical records, and poor interoperability across emergency, inpatient, and outpatient settings.
Developing our business case, we discussed several project critical constraints or alternatives. However, we had to reject these because it would limit the overall efficacy and impact of our AI enhanced EHR solution, just as trying to maintain the current workflow with prolonged inefficiencies. We couldn't just upgrade only the core EHR system because we would not be able to add AI features, or we couldn't just implement targeted AI modules because our organization requires a unified integrated solution. Next section, we're going to discuss the project scope. Our project scope, we wanted to dial in on artificial intelligence integration that will ultimately improve interoperability, data accuracy, and decision making across the healthcare organization. It would add features such as integrating multimodal data across clinical forms, documentation, imaging, laboratory results, and wearable devices that provide predictive analytic data. Also having integrating an AI support system provides accessibility and clinical usefulness of patient information across the continuum of care, ultimately providing a patient-centered care. Our AI-driven solution should address the problem of data fragmentation in the current healthcare data system that hinders patient-centered care. This should impact all providers, patients, outpatient clinics, and emergency departments. Our goal is to improve patient-centered care and also improve the satisfaction ratings of providers, clinical and non-clinical staff. Our project outcome is an AI-driven integration with the current EHR system that will enable providers to access comprehensive patient records in real time, improve diagnostic accuracy, and enhance population-level analytics. Overall, our project should integrate AI technology into the current EHR system. Integration phases will include an 8-month incremental go-live starting with the outpatient clinics and ending with the emergency department. AI integration timelines will highlight go-live dates for each organization, and any changes in go-live dates must be approved by executive sponsors. AI integration will enhance the current EHR system to support data, information, and documentation throughout the admission, concurrent care, and discharge phases. Integration of wearable medical devices and multimodal data into the information by text, image, audio, or video. Automated alerts for patients with same name, patient allergies, cross sensitivities, and vertical drug interactions. Use AI algorithm and models to detect duplicate patient accounts and streamline billing accuracies. Lastly, we want the AI enhanced natural language processing integration to record and summarize patient and provider encounters and reduce documentation time.
Project exclusions are specific tasks, features, and work that are deliberately not included in a project scope to prevent misunderstanding and scope creep. Exclusions identified by Group 6 in our project are AI integration of ambulatory prescription services for retail pharmacies, predictive models for patient discharge readiness and scheduling of follow-ups upon discharge, and legacy system conversions of scanned documents. Team members for a project should be identified early on to ensure clear roles and project success. Key players include the executive sponsor, steering committee, advisory committees, project manager, change manager, vendor project manager, and IT manager. The organizational chart outlines different individuals and groups that are vital to the project. At the top is the leadership that guides the project. They include the project sponsor, the executive sponsor, and the project manager. From there, the organizational chart breaks down into 3 main teams, including the clinical leadership, technical team, and governance and quality. Clinical leadership encompasses clinical informaticists, nursing leaders, and physician champions. The technical team includes AI architects, data engineers, integration specialists, and the training and support team. The governance and quality team has the data governance lead, compliance officer, quality improvement lead, and risk and safety officer. A project sponsor is the champion of the project. They provide high-level support, funding, and authority from a business perspective. They are responsible for ensuring the project aligns with the organization's strategic goals and are responsible for removing high-level obstacles, but they are not typically involved in the day-to-day project. The executive sponsor guides the group, approves major decisions, and ensures that the project aligns with organizational goals. The project manager leads from day to day, coordinating with the team, ensures that deliverables are completed on schedule, and manages important aspects of the project, such as budget, timeline, and communication.
On this slide, you see how we support both people and finances during implementation. We're using a training lead, super users, and IT support to make sure staff actually feel comfortable using the system, not just trained once and then left on their own. On the financial side, we have a finance director and vendor manager to control spending and keep the project on track. The goal here is simple: strong support for users and tight control over costs so nothing gets out of hand. The next slide will break down our project costs. This slide gives you a snapshot of where the money goes. Most of the costs in software and personnel because that's where the real work is, building, integrating, and supporting the system. We also budgeted for training and post go live support because adoption doesn't stop at the go live. The biggest thing is to remember is that it isn't just an IT expense, it's an investment in safety, efficiency, and long-term value. Every project has its risks. This slide lays out the big ones. The most common issue is resistance to change. People don't like new workflows. We also looked at risks around training, data accuracy, cybersecurity, and system integration. The main idea here is that we aren't pretending these problems don't exist, we're planning for them. Identifying risks early is how you prevent them from becoming real failures. This slideshow shows what we're actually delivering at the end of the project. It's not just software, it's new workflows, staff training, interoperability tools, and reports that show whether the system works. The goal is to walk away with a fully functioning system, trained users, and real data to measure success. Deliverables are what turn a project into real results. Project integration schedule. Instead of doing everything at once, we roll this out in phases to reduce risk. We start with planning and training, then launch in outpatient clinics before moving into the emergency department. That gives us time to learn, fix issues, and adjust workflows before the highest risk areas go live. The final phase focuses on optimization, security, and making sure the system is actually being used effectively. The main idea here is a slow, controlled rollout instead of a risky all-at-once launch.
This slide outlines the main roles involved in supporting the AI-enhanced EHR system. We have system analysts and AI engineers who oversee system functionality, troubleshoot issues, and ensure that the AI tools operate correctly. Power users have elevated access and they help validate workflows, assist with testing, and support end users during implementation. Our data management role focuses on maintaining data accuracy, integrity, and reporting across the system. And finally, the database engineering role manages database structures, performance, and secure data flow. Together, these roles create a balanced team that supports both the technical and operational success of the AI integrated EHR. This slide highlights the technology supporting our AI integration. The EHR system serves as the core data source, while the database manages the secure storage. Our AI and machine learning tools power functions like predictive analytics and NLP. Everything runs on a secure server environment, and BI tools help turn data into actionable insights. Together, these components support a smarter, more efficient EHR system. This slide covers how we communicate across the project. Sponsors receive regular status updates while the project team meets weekly to review progress and address issues. Outpatient clinics and the ED also receive scheduled updates to prepare for upcoming changes. Clear and consistent communication keeps everyone aligned and reduces confusion during the transition. To wrap things up, we want to thank everyone for their feedback and engagement throughout this project. We're happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.